Why you prefer foreigner instead of Filipino?
Gusto lang na ako try a child.
You just want to try big,
Yes.
big one?
No. Kanang 40 years.
40 years is okay? Older than you?
Yes.
So are you okay with older foreigner just in case?
Yes.
That doesn't bother. Free fruits like guava,
Yes,
some star
oh,
fruit. Because we don't have money at school yet before. And we just find some fruits. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have a very beautiful guest. Yay! So what's your name?
Hi everyone. I'm Elizabeth Tumakin, cousin of
Yes, we're cousin guys. So how old are you, Beth?
I'm 37, I told you.
37 years old.
Yes.
Yes, so we're the same guys. Same age. Charot!
Kamusta ka
So,
mag 38?
I'm turning 38 this coming December. And you
Oh,
are
July.
July. Yeah,
July 4,
I
yes.
have a subscriber who is July too. Charot! So, Beth Chai. So her nickname is Bichai. So she is from the... Where are you from? Mindanao, yes.
Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Sabi na po.
And as of now, you're here in
Cebu City, Bakayan.
Bakayan, Cebu City. So, you're working here.
Yes.
So, what is your job? Can you share it to us?
My job,
At the
Uncle Bro.
Uncle Brew Coffee Shop.
Yes.
She's making like this. Milk tea, yes. So, how was your job?
Oh, okay na.
It's okay. It's good. So, what about
Okay naman.
your salary? How much the salary here?
My
Per day?
520.
520 pesos.
Yes.
So, you're working 8 hours.
Yes.
Oh,
8
wow.
hours or
Sometimes
Sahay dili.
over...
Dili 8 hours. 5.
Under time. Really?
Pero-
But your work get paid.
5 weeks.
Oh wow, that's amazing. Wow. Are you the manager?
Dili oy.
No, my
No.
camera is sa buang. So you're not the manager.
Wala ray ka ng
How long you been working on that job?
since July 8 to 2023.
23, 24. Oh, so almost 2 years.
Yes.
Wow. Before that, what was your job?
Wala. Arbis.
Bake shop, right?
Oh, Arbis. Yes.
So she's working at the bake shop too. So you bake bread or you just sell bread?
Luto lang.
You do cooking?
Yes.
Cooking bread? Oh,
Cooking.
wow.
Like pandesal, sometimes mushroom.
Mushroom. Wow. That's amazing. You're a good cook.
Nangapagod.
Hoy, are you single? Or in a relationship? Or
I have live-in partner.
live-in partner
Yes,
right now. So you have a kid.
Yes, one.
One kid. So, at what age you have a kid?
At age 32.
Age in 32. It's too late. It's too late. But no, it's not late, I think. Right? You said you have a live-in partner, right?
Yes.
So, are you planning to marry soon?
Married?
Married? Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Charot. So, what about having kids, more kids in the future?
One row.
Just one? Enough? One is enough for
One
you?
is enough.
You don't want like 3 or 4 or many?
Sige,
Oh, okay. So you had a cesarean section, so
Yes.
it's not that easy, guys. So how's life living in Cebu so far? Like working?
Okay lang naman. Pero sometimes, nadyo sa ibang kalisod-lisod ka.
So yeah, it's good, but sometimes having difficult times,
Yes.
especially financial, right? Yeah, but everything will be okay.
Yes.
Charot. So what about your family? How many siblings you have?
7.
7. So you
Yes.
are
2.
the second. Yeah, she's second. We're the same, guys. She's second also. Me, I'm second. So what is the hardest experience in life you encountered, like the sad or hardest thing in your life?
Pagkamatay ni mama.
So when her mom passed away, guys.
Yes.
So at what age your mom
18?
passed away. Yeah,
18 years
right?
old.
Yeah, I remember. She was 18,
18 years
guys.
old.
And yeah, and then now you're 37. So it's been like 19 years ago.
Oh,
So her
yes.
mom passed away because of giving birth,
Oh.
right? Yeah, that's sad. So her mom is my aunt. Her dad is my, like, we're relative in both sides, mom and dad. So we've been classmates since kinder until
Oh.
high school.
Kinder.
High school we're not classmates but the same school.
Yes.
Different section.
Yes.
Yeah. But in elementary, we're like classmates.
Classmate.
Classmate of being crazy.
Oh.
But it's like after school we go to the get some fruits, free fruits like guava,
Yes,
some star
oh,
fruit. Because we don't have money at school yet before, and we just find some fruits. So funny, yeah. But it's like, yeah. So would you like to live in the province or in the city?
City.
City. Why city?
Because, dali mo mabilis lang hanapin yung pera.
Yeah, so it's easier to find money in the
Yes,
city compared
yes.
to the province. Because
Province.
province wages are very low,
Yes.
and yeah, limited work only, right? So only few available work there, and wage is very low. So it's good in the city because you earn good. How much you pay for your rent here?
2K.
2,000, but one room. Yeah, 2,000
Yes.
pesos for the room, guys. So 2,000 peso, that's around $40, less than that. And then excluded for your electricity,
1,000.
1,000.
3,000 tan.
So you pay 1,000 for your electricity. You have appliances like
Yes,
refrigerator,
ref,
air condition. You have air conditioner?
No.
No.
Sound
Like selling fan. Okay, some sound system like that.
Hilig ba ito?
Yeah. Okay, guys. So another question for
Yes.
Beth. So before you arrive here in Cebu, are you working also before, right? Can you share it to us? You're working in Manila.
Yes, Manila.
Manila. So
Quezon City.
what was your job there in Manila?
Maid.
Maid. So she's working as a housemaid there in Manila. You've been working for how many years?
Since 2008 hanggang 2014.
Wow, 28, 2008, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8, 4 years? No, 6 years. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 years. She's working
14.
6 years in Manila as a housemaid. So, how much the wage there before?
6,000.
6,000 per
1
month, 1 month. So, you're working like all around, like cleaning, cooking.
No. Laba o plancha.
Laundry and ironing clothes.
Yes.
6,000. So that's around $100. That's around $100, guys. So imagine for a month. So but now your wage is 500 per day, 520. So it's a little bit, it's a big difference. But just working as a housemaid, like doing the laundry, you have free house, and then free food.
Yes.
And you have day off as well.
Yes, every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Yes.
So it's good, yeah. So it's good there in Manila. It's fun there.
Okay lang.
It's good.
Okay, good.
But you found your forever here in Cebu.
Yes.
Forever. So if I'm going to ask you, if ever you are single, so would you consider to date a foreigner or a Filipino? Foreigner. You prefer foreigner if you are single, if she's
Yes.
single. So why? How come? What's your reason? Why you prefer foreigner instead of Filipino?
Gusto lang na ako try.
You just want to try
Yes.
big one?
No. Kanang makaanak tagwa ko ba?
You just want to try to have a kid who is like handsome or
Kaso
beautiful, pointed nose, like
Yes.
So once a foreigner, if you have a foreigner kid, the baby will be like handsome or beautiful, yeah. So that's the one reason I think why a lot of Filipinas admire foreigners, because of that pointed nose and whiter skin.
Yes.
Yeah. So what about if ever you're single? Would you consider to date an old man, like an old foreigner? Who's like 30 years older than you, or 20 or 40 years?
40 years.
40 years is okay, older than you?
Yes.
So are you okay with older foreigner just in case?
Yes.
That doesn't bother you? Yeah, because you know age is just a number, guys. Yeah. She's not available. She's taken now. Yeah. So
it's available.
Anyway, guys. Anyway.
Mami nagkasal. Uy.
Yeah. Not yet.
Wait, ang paglain.
It's not yet. Tanog ina siya. So they're not yet legally married. They're just living together. So who knows? We don't know, guys. Right? We don't know the situation. Charot. So anyway, what is your thoughts about Filipina and a foreigner relationship, which is a very big age gap? Like for example, the Filipina is just 20 years old and the foreigner is around 50 or 60. Do you think the Filipina love the foreigner, or she just like the foreigner because of money? She's just dating that because of money. So what are your thoughts about that? Do you think she loved the foreigner, or she just loved him because of money?
Depende.
It depends.
Yes. Yung iba kasi, yung ito yung gamitin nila puso. Yung iba, pera lang.
So it depends on the person. Some people, they use their heart, sometimes their mind. Yeah. What is the happiest moment in your life?
Kanang ako baby.
Oh, so the moment you have a baby. Yes, because as Filipina, so when we are like 32, you give birth at the age of 32, right? For us, it's like too late already. It's hard. It's hard to give birth at that age. So yeah, so it's very good, guys. Based on your observation, is it easy to a foreigner to date a Filipina here in the Philippines? Yeah. Is it easy or difficult for foreigners?
Depende naman siguro.
It depends.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ang uban yung iba kasi na Pinay.
Hard to get.
Ang uban
Easy?
Ang uban ng Pinay. Easy ang uban.
Picky?
Lisod.
Yeah, so it depends, guys. It depends on the lady. Some ladies are Filipinas are picky or something hard to get. So now let's proceed. We're in front here in Sogbo Mercado. They're still closed, guys. So another question for Betchay. Betchay, would you sleep a man on your first date? First date. Would you sleep with him?
First date? Wala.
First
Diretso naman.
So no? No?
Wala. No.
No, okay. Honest. What about something what is more fun to you? Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Lights off, why?
Yes. Because ganang ko mas maganda yung i-off ang lights para dili makita ang katong mga itom-itom.
So it's good to off the lights so you
Yes.
can see the hidden something.
Oh, yeah.
I like lights on so you can see everything.
Talaga? Okay. Ganang ko off.
Funny. What about have you tried outdoor?
Outdoor? Sana siya? No, wala.
No? Just
wala.
indoor?
Indoor.
Oh, okay. Do you think all foreigners are rich?
I think not all foreigner rich.
Okay. So how much does a man need in order to date you? Like how much his income, your man?
Paris?
Yeah. Just like not only your partner, it's like if ever you have a partner like a husband right now, how much is his income per month?
12K.
12K is enough for you?
Enough.
It's good, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Ang importante nga, sinabtan na yun.
Okay. So the important is you understand with each other.
Yes.
12K, so not so bad. It's around $200, guys. 200. Oh, wow. Okay guys, so we're keep on stopping our interview because we keep on laughing here. So it's very hot here as of now. So I think I'm out of question na. I'm out of question na. So thank you
Not
so
done.
much guys for joining this, for watching my video. I really appreciate that. So yeah, thank you so much to my guest today, Bichay. Just going to have her YouTube channel soon. So would you love to have a YouTube channel someday? Miss
Yes.
Bichay, yeah? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that's all for today guys. We look the same na. Look one.
Bye!
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Yay! Thank you so much.
May kajin mo ko.
Thank you.
Ay, oo, oy!
Funny. Uy, what about